Now start steps 139 to 142. First, take out F3. Fold it along the dotted line. Then take out the train. Note this corner bottom. The corner part should be snapped into the groove. Fix it with X after completion. Then take out D5 and D6. Note that the pattern is outward. Stick them together. Glue it. Stick another group in the same way. Then take out the train. It still has patterns. The pattern should face out. Assemble it like this. Then take out C11. Fix it on the larger side. The pattern side should be facing out. Then take out D22. Fix it in this place. Steps 139 to 142 are completed. Now let's assemble steps 143 to 145. First, take out the G3. Fold it along the dotted line. Then align it with the tail of the train. This place needs to be inserted. It looks like this. Then take out X to fix it. In this place. Then take out the G10. Pay attention to this. When we paste such papers, they need to be mirror images. Take out F2. Glue it. The assembled components are on the left and right. Then take out the G9. The pattern should be facing out. Stick it in this place. Glue it. Then stick on the other side. Next, let's stick to the G08. Note that they also need to be mirrored images. Glue it. Then take out A2. I forgot to take it too. Please take it by yourself. After getting ready, stick A1 and A2 to this place. Glue it. After gluing, stick another one. Glue it. Take out the part we just sticked. Stick it in this place like this. Glue it. Then glue another one. Steps 143 to 145 are done.